Hi guys. Mm, Today we will discuss about Nexus. I have already created the Nexus in my last video. So right now we will see how to integrate this Nexus with Maven. Integrate Maven with Nexus. So here, why we have to integrate this Maven with Nexus? That is the question actually I want to ask you all for that. So that here what happened whenever we run the Maven clean and deploy, artifacts will be created. Like suppose in the combat XML, if you give snapshot, means snapshot artifact will be created. If you give release, if you give release, means it will come as a release snapshot will be release artifact will be created. So that artifact should be stored somewhere. For that only Nexus came into the picture. So we have to think like that. So that only we are integrating this Maven with the Nexus. So how we do? Right now we see the step 1. See step 1. As a DevOps engineer, we need to create 2 repositories in Nexus to store build artifacts. Okay. For that only we are creating 2 repositories. That is, one is snapshot, second one is release. Okay. Next one. After creating this two repositories, we will get two URLs. One is for snapshot, other one is for the release. Other one is for the release. Okay, and we have to store there. And second step is Nexus repository details we will configure in project pom.xml. We have to configure these two URLs in the pom.xml. Then only Maven will come to know. So whenever the artifact created for the snapshot, it will go in the stored in the snapshot repository, like that. So that only we are informing Maven. We are configuring these things in the Maven pom.xml. Okay, so that the communication between Maven and Nexus will be established, and it can store the artifacts in the snapshot as well as in the release repositories. Okay, that is about the second point I want to tell you. And third one is, to the Maven also we have to tell the credentials. These are the credentials, admin and admin, username, password. These are the credentials of Nexus. So these Nexus credentials we are doing the setting in the Maven settings.xml. We are configuring so that Maven can it can log in with these credentials, and it can store these artifacts. This is about the step 3. So in the step 4, what we are doing, we are building our project, like Maven project. What are the goals we are giving? Like clean and deploy we are giving, so that artifact will be created as per the above steps. It will go and store the artifacts into the Nexus repository. Let's do this one. Okay, let's complete these 4 steps. How it is, starting with creating the repositories, right? I'm going to create the repositories. Create repository, I think you all know this one. Let's Maven to hostel. Okay, I'll keep some name, Durga, some IT, Durga hyphen snapshot. Okay, next one is snapshot. Next one is deployment policy, allow redeploy. Okay, next one is create repository. Right now I created snapshot repository. I am going to create one more repository, that is release repository. Okay, that is the first step. Maven to hosted. Okay, and again Durga hyphen release. Okay, this is the second repository in the step 1. Deployment policy, allow redeploy. Okay, create repository. Okay, right now I created two repositories. One is snapshot, other one is release. As per our step 1 we have completed it. Now we have to take these URLs, copy these URLs and go to our document and paste it in your document. As per snapshot, this is the URL. Just copy paste your snapshot URL here. And next one is release URL we have to take. Next one is release URL, this one. Copy the release URL also, same like that. And paste it in your document. Okay. Okay. Next one, what we will do in the second step, Nexus repository details we will configure in project format XML file. Okay, we have to configure this Nexus repository details in the format XML because we have to tell to Maven format XML these are the repositories. So we will do that setup here. Copy this snapshot. Where is the snapshot here? This one is the snapshot. No? This is the snapshot URL, and other one is release URL. Take these URLs, release URL, and take it here. Paste. Let's do something like Durga IT something. Just give some random Durga IT like that. Durga IT. Okay. Okay. This one we have done. So we need to copy this distribution in our format XML. That is the second step. First step, creating the repository. Second step, we have to these URLs we have to copy and paste it in the format XML, like this distribution management. Let me go there. Okay, this is my format XML. Open with Notepad plus. Okay, I'm copy pasting here dependency distribution. Okay, I'm saving this one. Okay, saved. Okay, we have completed step 2 also right now, and go to the document. Next step is what? Nexus server credentials will be configured in Maven settings.xml file, that is in C drive Apache format. So let's go and copy this one. My Nexus username is admin and password is also admin. So I am copying this details into settings.xml. Okay, then only Maven can log in and it can store the artifacts in the snapshot and as well as release also. So I am going to C drive Apache. C drive, program files, Apache conf settings.xml, right? Already it is saved actually. This one I already saved. See here we have to save before the servers. Here this is servers only, this is server. You have to carefully copy paste actually. After servers/servers you have to copy paste that one. Okay, right now my credentials also copy paste into the settings.xml in the Maven path actually. Maven did this one, so that Maven can log in and it can whenever that build is successful, it will go and as per the format.xml it will go and store the artifacts in the Nexus now. So let's go to the document once again. We have completed step 3 also, and step 4 we have to run. Okay guys, once again we review this one. First what we did, we created two repositories. One is snapshot repository we created, and release also we created one repository, and we have stored all the URLs here, two URLs. So we have configured these URLs in the step 2. So the same thing we copy pasted in the format XML from here to here. Okay na? So in the third step what we did, we have given the Nexus credentials here, and we copy paste into the settings.xml. That is the third step. Fourth step what we are going to do is, we are going to run the project. Once the details are configured, then we can run below Maven goal to upload build artifacts to Nexus server. So that once these goals are run as per the format XML, it will go and store the artifacts into the Nexus repository. Let's go and see once format XML. This is the format XML. Okay. Right now in the version, it is showing snapshot. So it should go and store when after successful goals are executed, it should go and store these artifacts into the snapshot repository. Okay, let's run this one. MVN, what is the goal? Clean deploy, right? On sparsely there on MVN clean deploy. Executed. Oh, error. What happened? Unrecognized tag distribution position error. Line 11 column 27. I have done a small mistake, guys. See here, I done a mistake is like dependencies is there na. In between this one I have copy pasted this distribution actually. That is the problem. So I will cut this one, cut it and paste it after this one. Okay, now I'm going to save this one. So these dependencies, only dependencies should be there here in between. So right now I cut this one and paste here. I'm saving it. Let me run the build once again. Okay, Maven project. This one, sorry, I have to go here, clean deploy. now it will be successful. Deploy, uploading to Nexus, here came build successful. See, uploading to Nexus is shown, and Durga have a snapshot. Okay, right now we will check it. We'll go to that application Nexus repository. We'll go. Let's go to the repository and check snapshot repository. Right, I'm refreshing once again. So it should go to snapshot repository. Okay, see here, snapshot repository. Sorry, we have to go to here now. Display, browse, and snapshot repository. See, we need to click here actually. See, this is, click here and click this one, .war file. You will get here that dependency also you will get here. See, right now the artifacts are stored in the snapshot artifacts got stored in .war file. Okay, and also okay, like this snapshot will store into the snapshot repository. Okay, fine. Next we will change the here we'll change in the version, we'll change it. Let's go and put release. Okay, release. Okay, let's save it and run it once again. We run it, build is running, and it should deploy into release. Right now we change in the uploading to Nexus repository Durga release. Okay, right now build is successful. We'll go and check in the go to browse Durga release. See here, this is the war file got stored in the Nexus release repository. Okay, like this we can store the artifacts in the Nexus repository. Okay guys, we will see the next topic in the next session for better clarity. So please like and subscribe my channel.